Sam's, your Zen lender. And this is video number 5 of the loan process steps that explains what happens when you are purchasing a property. So on this episode, we are talking about the closing disclosure, or as it's known within the industry as the CD. So what is the closing disclosure, or CD? The CD is the list of all of your fees and closing costs associated with the purchase of the property. And it gives you an opportunity to be able to review these figures and discuss any discrepancies with your loan officer. It's also really important to understand that it is a date-sensitive document. So once it is signed, it begins the countdown for you to close escrow. So how do we get to the stage of where the closing disclosure can be signed? Well, different lenders have different time frames, but most of them will allow the CD to be issued after the conditional loan approval is obtained, which we talked about on the last video, number 4 of the conditional loan approval. You also have to have your homeowner's insurance quote. So we specifically only ask for the quote. It does not have to be the final insurance. And something really important to keep in mind with the insurance is you don't want to buy an insurance policy on a property you don't own yet. So just get the quote and we will walk you through the process moving forward on what to do after you obtain the quote. Okay, so we need the conditional loan approval, the homeowner's insurance quote, and the appraisal. So once we have those items, then we are in line to be able to order the closing disclosure. And once the closing disclosure is issued, then it begins a 3-day countdown in order for you to be able to sign your loan documents, or better said, it's a waiting period. So what that means is, let's say that you signed your closing disclosure on a Wednesday, and remember it's date sensitive. So you signed it on a Wednesday, and we count Wednesday as day 1. So it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that means the soonest that you would be able to sign your loan documents is on Saturday. Now keep in mind, that does not mean that on Saturday, the notary is going to come knocking on your door, ready to sign your loan documents, and then Monday, Tuesday, you close escrow. That's not how it works. It just means that that is the soonest day that you are eligible to be able to sign your loan documents. So if the closing disclosure is signed on Wednesday, there may still be some other conditions that are left to be satisfied. And it may still take another week or so before you actually can sign your loan documents. But we still like to get the closing disclosure out of the way as soon as possible, because then it doesn't create delays later while we continue to work on those other conditions to get them satisfied so we can get your loan documents and get you in your house. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, email me, or just send me a note through any of these channels, and I'd be happy to help. Talk to you soon.